big old freak, big booty, big old tree. I'ma make him wait for the pussy. Hit it in these big old ski, ayy. Feet on the bed, I fuck him up in the head. Suck it, then look in his eyes. Then the next day I might leave him on red, ayy. Pop it, daydreaming by how I rock it, He hit my phone with a horse, so I know that me come over and ride it. I'm on the way,
What's up guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl J Monet back with another video for you. And in today's video, as you can tell by the title, I am doing a fashionnova unboxing clothing haul. As you can see right here, I have the package here waiting to be opened. I had this package for a good minute now. I haven't opened it or tried on anything from inside, so I was like, why not do a video of me unboxing and showing you guys what I ordered from fashionnova. I hope y'all ready for the slay. Before we get right into this video, make sure you give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and also hit that notification bell right next to the subscription button to be the first one to know when I upload a video. Other than that, let's get right into the video. Okay, this is going to be hard. So I had to get a scissor because this package is not hard to open. Plus I have my nails, so it's gonna be more difficult. Okay, so the first outfit is this bathing suit, this neon green water sports bikini, because I love swimming. So I decided to get this, and this is how it looks. Man, how y'all think green gonna look on me? Hold on. I think this might look cute on me. Hold on. Let me give y'all quick. Hold on. Too fire. I forgot how much I paid for this. I forgot what was the price. Let me see if I can find the tag. This is the tag. But I will leave the link in the description box to all the items I got. This is mad cute. I'm not gonna hold y'all. I think green was gonna look nice on me. I will be having like one side of me trying on the outfit. So this water sport bikini, it was $34.99, and I had a discount code on top of that, so it came out for cheaper. The next outfit is this Blaire Bodycon dress. I got this in mustard color, so this is how it looks. This looks fire. This one was $10. They had like a $10 dress. This is mad cute. Hold on, I can't wait to try this one. The next outfit is this Tori Tunic. I think that's what it's called, Tori Tunic dress. Let me make sure. I don't know if y'all hear my dog, but she's scratching from this side. So, oh yeah, I remember this. This is a cute black dress that I seen like on Instagram. Let me open it up because she really bugging. So yeah, I got this cute, simple black dress. It was $10 too for the $10 dress sale. I got this in an extra small. So this look like this might be bomb. This is my dog. She was at the door scratching, wanting to come in because she wants to come in my room. So now she wanna not pay attention. Say hi to this camera. Look. Her heart is beating mad fast. Go. Okay, so the next outfit is this up in the clouds flare pants. I actually got this pants because I found a tank top. What's that thing called? Oh, a two top. I got a two top to see if it would match it. Let me see. Hold on. I got this top to somewhat match it, but it's a little bit off, so yes, it's way off. I'm probably gonna return this and just find like a white or a dark navy blue color to wear with this, but this is mad cute. Hold on. This is an extra no, this is a small. I don't remember how much this was $17.99. So my next outfit is this platinum jumpsuit. It was blue, and I got this in extra small. I don't know, this look mad cute. Hold on. It says no limit. I bought this actually so it could like match with my my Uggs. It's like somewhat this color, so like in the summertime I'm probably gonna be hot in this, but hey, it's cute. So the next outfit I got is no photo super crop top. I got this in extra small, and this was $19.99, and then plus a discount, so it came up for cheaper. So this is how it looks. My boyfriend, he actually said he liked this, so he wanted me to get it to see how it looks on me. So yeah, gift for love. Mini dress, I got this in small. It's like a nice calm night outfit. It's a simple night outfit, just in case like if I go to a party and I can have this. This is mad simple, but this is cute at the same time. Off the shoulders, like I got these cute glasses. This is mad cute. Hold on, I'm about to put it on for y'all. Show you how cute it is. I'm probably gonna look mad bougie in this. Hold on. I look mad bougie in this. This is mad cute though. Ow. Ow. This is mad cute. This is mad bougie. Whatever. I bought another glasses. It's like the big glasses on your face type thing. And this is how it looks. This is kind of bougie too. Hold on. Who messing with me? Wait. I like this one. I think, yeah, I'm about to be rocking this one. I'm gonna be rocking this one. This is mad cute. Let's talk about what came inside. It came with like a return form, just in case one of the outfits didn't fit me or I didn't like it anymore. I could just fill this out and then return all the items that I got. And then they did send me a $25 off for my next purchase, and they do send you a coupon code to use for your next order. So that will be the end of the video. If you enjoyed watching, give this video a thumbs up and comment down below some video suggestions that you guys would like to see. If you haven't already, subscribe to my channel and click that notification button to be the first one to know when I upload a video. Also, I will leave my personal discount code for you guys to use to get 30% off your next purchase. You know, hook you up with that 30% off. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.